Hey there! Ever wondered how our world fits together like pieces of an intricate puzzle? Let's dive into the fascinating world of calculus, the mathematical superhero behind so much of what we take for granted. Calculus isn't just some ancient text or cryptic code. No, it's the vibrant language of change and motion that shapes everything from the way we build bridges to how we predict the weather. It's not just for mathematicians, it's a tool for understanding the continuous transformation happening all around us. So what exactly is calculus? Imagine you're watching a rocket launch. Calculus helps you understand not just the position of the rocket at any moment, but also its speed, acceleration, and the path it's going to take as it soars into the sky. It deals with rates of change and the accumulation of quantities. Now, let me break down the two superheroes of calculus: derivatives and integrals. Derivatives. They're like the flash camera of mathematics, capturing the rate at which things change at any instant. Whether it's speedometers in your car measuring how fast you're going, or economists predicting stock market trends, derivatives are everywhere. Then there's integrals, the total accumulators. Imagine adding up all the little slices of a cake to find out how much cake there is altogether. That's what integrals do with data. They accumulate values over a range to give us total quantities, like finding the area under a curve or the total distance traveled by that rocket we just launched. Now, why should you care? Well, because calculus is not just academic, it's practical and incredibly useful. Engineers use calculus to design everything from tall skyscrapers to your sports shoes. Biologists model populations and ecosystems with it. Economists forecast trends. Even doctors and medical researchers rely on calculus for insights into the human body and the spread of diseases. In essence, calculus is about prediction and optimization. It's about making informed decisions, understanding the implications of change, and crafting solutions that work best. It's a powerful tool that helps us navigate the complex, dynamic world we live in. So, the next time you come across a challenging calculus problem, remember, you're not just solving equations, you're unlocking the secrets of the universe. Stay curious and keep exploring, because calculus isn't just a subject, it's a way to see the world.